Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we are going to learn how to create a to-do list app using HTML, CSS and JavaScript with the help of OpenAI ChatGPT model. Step 1. Set up HTML file. Create a new HTML file and add the basic HTML structure. Then create a container to hold our Todo List and a form with an input field and a submit button. Step 2. Style the app with CSS. Add some basic styling to make the app look visually appealing. You can use CSS for this. Step 3. Add functionality to the app. Now it's time to add the functionality to our to-do list app. We will use JavaScript to add a new task to the list, mark a task as complete, and remove completed tasks. Conclusion, and that's it, we have successfully created a to-do list app using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript with the help of OpenAI ChatGPT model. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing content. See you in the next video.